In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring transactions in Monarch Money. By the end, you'll have your bills, subscriptions, and other repeating charges tracked automatically so your cash flow and budget stay accurate without constant manual updates. We'll follow a simple flow inside the app and add helpful context so you feel confident setting this up. Start by heading to Monarch's website and opening your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the recurring section in the navigation. This is the hub where Monarch groups anything that happens on a repeat schedule, like rent, streaming services, utilities, loan payments, and even recurring income. Inside that section, choose Manage Recurring. This opens the place where you can review what's already there and create new items. Think of it as your control center for upcoming charges and paychecks that you expect to see again and again. Next, select Add Recurring Merchant. Monarch organizes these by the merchant name, so creating one here helps the app match future transactions to this recurring pattern. In the search field, type the merchant you want to track, then click it when it appears. Picking the right merchant name improves accuracy and makes your reports cleaner. You can also choose a photo or icon for this merchant. This step is optional, but it's a nice way to make your list easier to scan. A recognizable image helps you quickly spot the item in your upcoming calendar or cash flow view. Set the recurring frequency to match how often this transaction happens. Common options include weekly, monthly, or yearly. If the timing varies slightly, choose the closest pattern you expect most often. You can always update it later if the billing cycle shifts, but starting with your best estimate keeps your plan realistic. Now choose the recurring type. Select the category that best fits, such as a bill or subscription for expenses, or income for paychecks and deposits. This selection helps Monarch categorize the transaction correctly and improves your budget and trends. Set the starting date. Pick the next expected charge date or the date the cycle began, depending on what works for your planning. Then enter the amount. If it's fixed, use the exact number. If it fluctuates, enter a typical average so your forecasts stay useful. Finally, choose the recurring status. Active keeps it in your schedule. Pause is helpful if it's temporarily on hold. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the item appear in your list and in upcoming projections. That's it. Your recurring transaction is set up and ready to keep your finances organized automatically.